Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel, Christian Mix Vlog. So, ayan guys, magmumukbang na ako ng toasted peanuts. Super yummy guys. Little bit spicy. And with toasted garlic. This is my breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast. So while I'm there with Cray Cray live stream a while ago, I cooked this. Shout out Cray Cray. Thank you so much for always supporting me, for always visiting my channel too. Katatapos ko lang mag-shower guys kasi sobrang pawis ako sa aking workout. Kaya bumababa na ako guys. Ayan. As of now, my kg 46.1. So I'm going down to 45 kg. Kaya kailangan yung arm ko medyo mahigpit na guys. Kasi ayaw kong maging mukhang balat na lang siya. Gusto ko magkalalaman-laman, kaya I work for it. Maskulada na si Krisha. Chris said, I am strong. Alright. Yummy. You know guys, I love my curly hair. See? Before my hair straight, now kulot, curly. Parang feeling ko maasim yung kinakain ko. Sa sobrang yummy ba? Correct. Mmm. Crunchy. My God. Team Maxerty, shout out po. Team Shang, shout out. Team Cute Mako, shout out. Shout out sa my love ko. Siyang Paulo. Shout out sa lalabs ko. Snow Malaya. Shout out Ron. Ron Oyomix, shout out. Sisi Ann, Team Tres, shout out. Lalab Unica Sake, shout out. Pinsan nalalab kasi puno yung mouth ko sa peanut. Yan sa lalabs ko, Unica Sake, shout out. Ay, si Colette, shout out. Cray, shout out. At sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa channel ni Krisha Mix Vlog, guys, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat, everyone. Masipag na kamay, guys. Madami ng ugat. Ugat-ugat na ako. Pero pagkatapos mag-work at night, ilalagyan ko siya ng Vaseline. Nagba-Vaseline ako, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Krisha Mix Vlog. Bye, everyone. My love. The loves, para sa'yo. Sisi Ann. Sisi Colette. Lalabs Unica Sake. Ron Oyomix. Para sa'yo. Love you, Ron. And Cray para sa'yo. For you, Cray. Para sa lahat, guys. Yummy. My God. Kabulol-bulol na ako, guys, kaya my mouth full of peanuts. Bye, everyone. God bless us all, guys. Thank you.